got summer on the inside.
Alright, let's get going. Now, we're converting this terrible paint job on this 2006 Mazda 3, and we need to get it to BigFivePanelnPaint in Glen Anil. So I think it's time for an epic driving montage.
I got summer on the inside. So if we just think about the good, ignore the bad.
Now, before we know it, we're pulling right into the HQ of BigFivePanelnPaint. Now, all we gotta do is go over the car and see what's wrong with it, and make a list of everything that needs to get done. Don't forget to follow for the next episode of with BigFivePanelnPaint.